Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to your TikTok videos. Adding captions is a great way to increase engagement and make your videos more accessible for everyone. So let's dive right in. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are on TikTok, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, you have to simply scroll down and you will see an option that says Accessibility. Once you find it, tap on it. And here you will see an option labeled Captions. Just tap on it to toggle it on. And TikTok will automatically generate captions for your video based on the audio. And that's it. Now you know how to add captions to your TikTok videos. Adding captions is a quick way to make your videos more accessible and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.